but when you're ERC, looking to do is bend that. Welcome back to the YouTube Barber Academy. We have the biggest unboxing that we have ever had on this channel, and big shout out to Williamsport, Bowman. Our new sponsorship includes 10% off all purchases on anything outside of Gamma. They sent me a bunch of stuff. I'm not exactly sure what's in here. So let's start with the smallest box. Fashion myself a little knife out of this razor. Use the paper to hold it so I don't cut myself. If you could design your own clipper, the best clipper, what would that look like to you? And before you get all crazy and say, I want to have the best battery time, I want it to fade the best, I want it to have the best blade, I want it to never get hot, understand that there are some compromises that need to be made. Now think back to when you played a video game. Some of these video games used to allow you to design your own character, and you could give a certain amount of attributes to any line you want. He could have high agility, speed, strength. There was always a trade-off. So what would your trade-off be? Would you design one that is just straight fading? Would you design one that's just straight bulk work? Is that all you're gonna do with it? I'd be interested to hear what your dream clipper looked like. A little packing particles. Sorry, Chad, I made a huge mess all over your station. And then we have a box with another wrapper on it. Oh, look what we have here, y'all. I've been wanting one of these for a long time. This is the new Oster 76 cordless version. It's something I've been questioning. As clippers get more powerful, do detachables still retain a place? So we're gonna be doing a big shootout to try to figure that out, and it starts today. First impressions, Kenny.
It's heavy.
Don't let the power go to your head, bro. I see that. I see that.
I'm ready to use it.
You wanna try it?
Mm-hmm.
All right, bro. Take it out there, put it to work. Let's do one of these bigger boxes. All right, this one is pretty heavy, y'all. I don't know what's in it. Okay, there's definitely quite a few things in here. We're gonna have a big mess before this is over. All right, it appears that we got shears, Barber Strong shears. This couldn't have come at a better time, y'all. My shears are falling apart. We have a full set, a full brand new set of the detachable guards that we will be using with the 76 and a couple other things that are in this box. We have some chunking shears that are from Rocket Dog. I'm really excited about that one, y'all. So essentially what you're seeing here are multiple different brands of shears, and something that Williamsport and I came up with was we wanted to test out some of the least expensive shears that progressively get more expensive and help you figure out the best way to spend your money. So do you need the most expensive shear? I don't know, we're gonna figure it out. So this one is 4420. These are the MDs. So MD is actually the Williamsport brand. These are some Dianes. I don't know anything about these, but these are 6-inch barber shears. Uh-oh, we have something else really big in here. Packed quite damn good. I do not think that anything is gonna break. Okay, we have the Ultra Edge BGRC. Now this is a corded detachable. Do corded clippers still have a place in 2023? Leave it in the comments. I'm not sure, and that's what we're here to try to figure out today. Wow, these are packed like so packed. This is like a Christmas morning around here, y'all. Uh-oh. I see a gas gauge, and that can only mean one thing: octanes. Okay, a new set of octanes. So another cordless detachable, and this one I am very familiar with, and I have used this for a long time. I have a very high regard for this clipper. A big pack of different blades. There are Lords, there's another MD razor holder, Dorcos, Feather Artist Club razors. More razors. We have Sharks, Astros, a Feather Artist wood razor, Maseki Japanese holder, Millie blade. I don't know. We're gonna have to do other unboxings on top of these unboxings, so we will get to it. So we're also gonna be shooting out the best razor holder, best razors. Let's get to one of the other big items. seem to have misplaced mine, but we have another large unboxing here. I'm not sure what this is. The Andis Supra ZR2. So yet another cordless detachable clipper, and it looks like it's a fairly new version of it. I remember seeing some of these clippers before. I don't remember it coming in this box. Hey, and if any of you guys out there right now want to drop a comment and let me know what you think of some of this stuff, if you've seen some of it before, many of these things I have never tested and I'm curious about. So what's your experience with this stuff? Let's see what this is. This looks completely different. What is this? All right, we got the black Wahl Magic Clip combo. I've said my piece about Wahl and things like that, but I am excited to give this one a try. I've tried the gold, which I believe is exactly the same, but this just has the black cover. However, the Magic Clips is definitely one of the better fading clippers due to the fact that it is not super, super powerful. So we'll be shooting this out against all the best clippers of 2023. Let's go to the next big box. Chad is not gonna be happy about what's going on here. And I just found my other razor. Just add it to the mess. We have one more really large box. This was the heaviest one. I haven't got the faintest idea what could be inside of it. So if you guys remember on the channel years ago, I used to represent a company called 614 Barber Supply. They've since been purchased by Williamsport Barber Supply, and now they actually own quite a few different barber supplies. So they've asked for me to do some work for them. So here I am with this new beautiful relationship. I wanna show them some support, and I wanna show them that I have some followers. And if you guys wanna help me out, if you appreciate all the content that we drop here nearly every day, go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe, and you guys can check out the link below. So if you need something and you wanna save some money, let's do it. We have a Wahl Seniors. You guys, you know how long it's been since I've used a Wahl Senior. Let's see if my opinions have changed about this clipper, but I'm excited to give it another chance, and it couldn't come in at a better time with the best clippers of 2024 right around the corner. This is the newest version of the Wahl Senior. We'll see if there's any differences from the previous versions. Next, we have, feels like it could be an Andis box. Let's see. I don't know how many times I've had this clipper, but this is the newest version of the Masters Cordless. This is a very powerful cordless clipper. It's probably going to need some tweaking because I doubt they're gonna, you can't zero gap it unless you bend this tab. So we're gonna have to bend that tab to pull that off. I'll show you guys how to do that. There's a little way you gotta zero gap that. We're gonna do that. Also another great one to add to the list. The next thing on the list we actually have are, well, there's quite a few different things still in this box. Ever since COVID, it got me kind of thinking that barbershops really could always do a little bit better when it comes to sanitization. They could be spraying their clippers more, they could be going out of their way to clean things, they could clean their combs more and their guards. It is unacceptable and downright disrespectful if you touch a client with a dirty tool, which is why they've sent a few of these things. Barberside, this is Andis 5-in-1 Cool Care. So it is a coolant, disinfectant, lubricant, cleaner, and rust preventer. Even though it says it's a lubricant, we know that using sprays like this on our clipper can actually cause damage to the clipper, but we need to use sprays like this to keep them clean. So we will definitely be oiling them after we spray it with this, but this is a great product. I did not know that Babyliss Pro actually makes all-in-one clipper spray. So now that's got me thinking. Did you guys know that Babyliss made this? Drop it in the comments if you did. I had no clue. Next one looks like Clipperside 5-in-1. It appears that all three of these products essentially aim to do the same thing. Whoa, another one. I had no clue that there was so many different types of disinfectant. I think many of us just stuck to Clipperside or Cool Care. This one is called Fast and Furious. No clue about anything about this, but this will definitely be a really fun shootout to see which one actually causes the best performance. Lubricide for use in salons and spas, sanitizer disinfectant, and this looks like it's something you would use to clean your combs, I would guess. But I might have to read the directions on this one. This is not one that I'm familiar with. Marvicide. I've actually heard of this product, y'all. Marvicide, disinfectant, fungal, germicidal, virucidal. So there's another one there. Don't worry, y'all. It's not all disinfectants coming next. We have Tomb 45 no drip, and we have brown black. This is my personal, like, favorite color ever to use in my spray guns. We have brown hair and beard dye. I have not heard of this product, so we'll have to try that one. We have this one called Royal. Oh, it looks like this all comes together in its own little thing. So Royal, natural black, non-aerosol. This is obviously another, I would think, semi-permanent. And then we have Heavy, which a lot of people know about Heavy, and I've never used this product either. So we'll have to give those all a try. So as many airbrushes as I've had over the years and the time that I've spent cleaning them or watching them die or having all these problems with them, I think that this product right here is just as good as it gets. This is called Red. It's actually made by Kiss, and it's tintation. So you guys probably want to check out some of this stuff down below, because if you don't have an air gun, if you don't want to clean an air gun, if you don't want to deal with the color and the fill up and the mess, any of that, you just want an aerosol can that lasts quite a while, this is what you want. This will help you get them fantastic photos. This is just an awesome product, and you're not gonna have to deal with anything other than just opening this can and spraying it. So a color card and you're good to go. But on the other side of it, there is a place for the other ones when you want something that's gonna last a few more days. The Tomb 45, the Heavy, probably some of these other products that I've never used. Usually when I put that in my hair, it's gonna last a couple of days, even after I wash it. So there's a place for everything. Let me know what you guys think. This is the biggest unboxing, and as we go forward, we're going to start breaking down all of these products, shooting them out against each other. And if you guys are excited to see anything, drop it in the comments, because I'm actually pretty excited to see how some of these perform against the rest of the stuff. I'm really excited to do a big detachable shootout. I think there's actually still one more detachable coming. So once that gets here, we'll get that video underway. But this is the YouTube Barber Academy. Huge shout out to Williamsport. Thank you guys so much for believing in me and wanting me to be a part of your company. And I hope that I can do a great job for you guys as our relationship continues to build. For the rest of you guys, the links to everything is down below. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.